Hey everybody, so we are down in downtown San Fernando, and we're gonna do a little people watching, walk around a little bit, and look at this area. I personally has never been down here. My wife is getting away from me there, but we'll catch up with her. Alright, so the downtown area here actually has quite a bit of history, and what we're looking at here is what's called the cathedral, and the cathedral actually has a lot of history, and it goes back all the way back into the 1700th century. I read somewhere, I think it was Wiki, that they actually built the first wood structure around 1750, somewhere around there. So the building has a little history. But anyway, it looks like they have a few scaffoldings and other things going around here, and the paint looks fresh, so it looks like they are just working on trying to update the whole building there a little bit. Yeah, so the other part of the history is this church or cathedral has been destroyed a couple of times, and the last time was around 1940. When it was destroyed by fire, and it was reconstructed by some architect. So anyway, the other thing with this church here in Philippines, they have Lady of this and Lady of that. Would you have all kinds of ladies here when it comes to that, right?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Lady of Fatima, Lady of Lourdes, Lady of, that one is Lady of Assumption.
Lady of Assumption is this cathedral, that's correct. Yeah. And you can see her up top there on above where they have the scaffolding in. You can see her there. So, San Fernando, capital of Pampanga, I believe.
Yeah, correct.
That is correct, she says. So, I'm trying to learn a little bit of history. And right there across from the cathedral, you have the Capitol building. And we're going to take a little walk around and check out the street, do some people watching, and we'll see what happens. We got a little rain, as you can see the clouds hanging in the air, so we'll see if we can get through this. All right, honey, let's go. One of the other things, I don't know if you see in the window of the Capitol building, and we're going to talk about that a little bit, and that is the big lanterns, Christmas lights. San Fernando is known for that, and they have, like, I think, like a Christmas festival or something.
Yes,
with
a lantern festival.
Yeah, it's like a lantern festival every.
They known San Fernando as a giant lantern.
Right.
It's a capital, Christmas capital of the Philippines.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So anyway. November 2nd still. Oh, they got quite a few horse buggies here. Here comes another one. Doing a little people watching here on the corner. Those are really small horses. small. All right, so down that way, next block over, there's a big market, and even down this road, a lot of stores, and it's all right there in the center of San Fernando. We mentioned the lights, and every year there is a like an annual festival. They call it what?
Giant Lantern Festival.
All right.
Which is on Kapampangan, Ligligan Parol.
Right, and it's an annual festival, and it's held in December, and we are probably going to come back. There's a huge competition and a lot of festivities going on around that time. So we probably come back, and that's also how they got the name Christmas Capital of the Philippines.
Just watch me.
Hello, how are you? I'm good. I'm good.
Just watch me.
All right, it's kind of start raining, so we are going to start walking down towards the center of San Fernando, where the SM Mall is. So we're going to go there and maybe get a little protection. All right, hon. So let's go.
Take the second SM.
Yeah, it's downtown SM. It's a smaller mall, I think, but again, we've never been here, so for us, this is the first time experience. And I'm still amazed to see a lot of people out today during this. What?
It's holiday.
Yeah, it is holidays, so it might be the reason. All right, so here you have the roundabout, and just 50 meters down the other way, you have the SM Mall. So we're gonna head that way.
Yeah, because it's raining.
It's starting to rain, yeah. So not a whole lot, but we're gonna try to put away the equipment during the rain. The cameras and stuff, and then we'll come back and revisit if it doesn't stop. So come along, let's go in the mall and enjoy our time there for a little bit. All right, honey, so while we're here, why don't we go up to Globe and start looking at possibly getting a cell phone also.
Plan?
Yeah, a cell phone plan. Huh? Yeah, but if you buy them here, you pay cash for them. And you don't get a plan, then it's whatever. You know, if you have a plan, they give you the phone for free.
Yeah, so when we buy one, they will give you a free phone.
Yeah, they give you the phone for free. And the Oppo 5, we can get now for $5.99 a month for 2 years, and then you own the phone. You see what I'm saying?
The down payment is $590.
Yeah, because they give you the phone for free, so there is no down payment. You pay the plan and you get the phone for free.
So what's she say the $590?
Huh?
What's that for the $590?
That is your plan. Unlimited calling to all Globe every month, and unlimited SMS, but only one or 2 gig of data, which is not enough.
Yeah, so if you need to change your plan, you can add 999.
Yeah, you can up the plan. But if you up the plan, you can get Then you can get an Oppo A9 or Oppo 11.
But
Oppo
we
A9.
don't have
Yeah.
available.
No, but then we can wait. All right, so where are we going here? Let's go. All right, guys, it started raining, so we are just going to walk around in a different SM mall in San Fernando. This one is a little smaller mall, I guess, downtown San Fernando. I'm saying downtown Orlando, but I mean, what's up here? Yeah, let's just go and see. We just go and check out and see what's here. IT zone.
So when we had that plan, or we should come back here to pay, or we pay it on the group?
We give her my debit card, and she charges to the card every month. We don't have to go nowhere. It's automatically charged to the card every month.
I see.
So you don't have to. Oh, okay. So there's nothing up here. Okay. All right. The cinema is up here. Oh yeah, that's right. The movie theater is up here.
There's nothing more.
Right.
Cinema 2.
Okay.
The other one is Cinema 3.
Yeah. So it started doing some stupid raining while we were out walking around a little bit. So we decided to come into this mall and hang out for a few minutes, and we might as well just see. You have Oppo here too. You see that, right? Which one are you talking about? Huh? Here's another Oppo store. That's the A5. Reno 2. I don't think they have 11. A9. This is the one I like, because that one, the A9 has a 5,000 milliamp battery, which lasts much longer. Okay. It's and it has a good 48 megapixel camera. Huawei. Yeah, not today. So they're just. It's a fairly small little mall, but it's pretty nice though.
You just know my toes.
I'm on your toes. Yeah.
Just step my small toes.
Yeah, that's true. Your toes are small.
Everything is small.
She has the smallest feet I ever seen anybody, adult. Number 34, 35? 34, 35. All right. Yeah, what do you want? Huh? What did you see? Yeah. Apple orange?
Apple orange?
Huh? Yeah. Apple orange. I don't know.
Magkano yun?
60
pesos?
Ah.
60 pesos.
Yeah, sorry.
Dalawa.
2. Which is in?
Refill. Or you want to refill something?
Nah.
Hindi na lang daw sa ano yun.
What's a refill? You get a special cup when you get refill or what? No. Okay.